Hello everybody, this is Shirley over at the Closet Crafts, and today we're going to work on a little like journal card for your journal, your junk journal. And these are some of the ones I've already made, and it's from an old quilt. The quilt was falling apart anyway, so I thought, well, I'll just use it up. And I bought it at the thrift store. It was an expensive one. It's just disintegrating practically. So I thought, well, I'll make some little journal cards. I'm going to put little cards on the back so you could write on it, but this is what what it looks like. And I just cut out random shapes and sizes and I decorated them. This one has some little ribbons on it. And the little doll pictures are from a pattern for doll clothes. So this is just some of them. And then just decorated them up. So we'll start out. And I just cut this piece. And I can use the white, I can either use one side or the other side. It doesn't matter. Just depending on what picture I'm going to pick. So I had two pictures kind of cut out. And I thought this one was kind of cute. But I didn't like her on the pink. I liked her on this white side better. So I think I'm gonna go with with this girl, and so I'm going to put her on the pink side. And I just tore out the picture out of a book and did around the edges. And I thought maybe for the background, some of them I put like a little saying or whatever behind her. Some I didn't do it at all, but I think it looks cute with something. So I thought this math page book, where it has some real handwriting, a child's handwriting on it, might be kind of cute to put behind her. So I'm gonna tear a little piece out. And I thought it would look kind of cute like that. I'll cut it down a little bit more. So I'm going to use my fabric glue to glue this piece down. I just used this and it's already like dried up. And I just use this fabric glue when I have something that's fabric, I use this. And I'm going to glue her down. Put her anywhere you want, but I think she looks kind of cute like right here. And I thought a little piece of lace would look really cute on here too. So I'm going to cut. I think I like it at the bottom better. Put it that. Put it up like that. I really like working with the little kids' books in that. I think they are cute. They have cute design pictures and just colorful. So I got that so far. And then I thought, well, I'll add a little safety pin. And I found some little buttons. They're all different colors, like kids' colors, I thought would be cute. I just string them on here. And then we can just put it through here. Well, if you want to, you can, before you put your safety pin on there, obviously, you can go around the edges of your picture with your sewing machine and then put your little safety pin on there with your beads or your buttons. And then I was just gonna cut a dyed index card, and you can put it right here on the back. And you'll have somewhere to journal. Of course, I can't get the glue out. And you can decorate this card too if you want. I have some of this. This is like for teachers. They used to put it on your desk so you could learn how to cursive write. So I found it at the thrift store and I liked it, so I bought a whole roll of it. And you can just take your glue stick, because it's not real sticky. And you can either put it across like this, or you could put it down ways. I'm gonna put it across, I think. Just something a little extra. It's very cute. Like the olden days. So, like I said, you could either go around it with your sewing machine. I just do it with a straight stitch. It's not, my sewing machine's kind of messed up, so it doesn't do a lot of fancier stuff. And then just thread your buttons onto your safety pin. Put it through there. You got a cute little journaling card. Somebody will really like that. I would like that if it was in my journal. And you can stick it into a pocket if you want to. Trying to think of it. Here's a pocket that I made some time ago. You could just stick this in there and have it in your journal, or even in a smaller pocket. Let me see if I have one in here. This is a pocket that I made out of a coffee cup wrapper. You could just put it down in there if you wanted to. Or if you have a paper bag that you have, you could just stick her kind of like sticking out like that. And it's really cute. So everybody try one if you have an old quilt, or sometimes you can find like a old pillowcase that's quilted at the thrift store. All different colors, whatever you like, and then just cut it and make a little journal card out of it. I like fabric to go in my journals a lot, so I think it turned out really cute. Hopefully you'll try it. Doesn't take very long. You can make a bunch of them. Just cut up your old quilts or pillowcases, towels sometimes. I do just about a little bit of everything. So keep watching me if you will. I hope you enjoyed this one. And like and subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll see you next time with another cute idea for your junk journals. Thank you.